Tired of manually saving and re-uploading your Instagram stories to WhatsApp? I'll show you a much easier way to share them directly, saving you time and effort. First, make sure your Instagram and WhatsApp accounts are linked. Open Instagram and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Sharing to Other Apps and tap on it. Here, you should see WhatsApp. If it says Not Connected, tap on it and follow the prompts to link your accounts. If it says Connected, you're good to go. Now, create your Instagram story as usual. Add your photos, videos, text, and any fun stickers or filters you like. Once you're happy with your story, tap the Share to button at the bottom. This is usually a small airplane icon. You should now see WhatsApp as one of the sharing options. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp will open, showing a preview of your Instagram story. You can add additional text, stickers, or drawings specifically for your WhatsApp status if you want. Finally, tap the send arrow or the My Status button to share your Instagram story directly to your WhatsApp status. That's it. Your story is now visible to your WhatsApp contacts.